already kind of shaved my face, if you will. I followed Aaliyah J's video. I didn't use the exact same products, but I used her technique. I didn't really film that because I didn't know I was about to film all of this. But I'm pretty sure everyone watches Aaliyah J. If you don't know who Aaliyah J is, I suggest you check her out. But anywho, I need to get like the whiteheads and stuff out of my nose and my chin. So I don't have any Biore strips, but I do have these ones from Dollar Tree, the Global Beauty Care Cleansing Nose Strips. 3 nose strips in here. When I buy the ones from Biore, they do have the thing that you can use for the chin or the forehead. And then they also have the nose one. So whenever I have some nose strips, but I don't have the other one, I'll show you all how I just use this one the exact same way. I have used these before, so I pretty much know the instructions already. To open up the pores, I'm just going to kind of wet this area of my face with warm water really quickly, and we're also going to put on a face mask as well, but I want to get on the nose strips first, and then we can work around that area. The water is getting too hot for me to stand at this point. Dry the hands off, that way we don't wet up the strip. Okay. And apply this just like that. Great, the camera's blinking. Okay, now we're just gonna wait and we'll see what we get off. I don't feel like this one is really on there good. I guess we'll see. When it comes to masks, I just usually pick one based on what I feel I need, or more so I wear these for pampering purposes because they make me just feel all girly and cute at the end of my night. Normally I do face mask Fridays, but today isn't Friday. I don't feel like I need to detox. And not only that, but considering the occasion, when you use a detox mask, over the next few days, usually about 3 days, it'll start to pull out things out of the skin. I like to do that around some time when I'm not going to be going anywhere for a few days, or I'm not having any special events or anything like that, because it'll draw out the impurities. You'll think that you were preparing for an event, but just use this one in advance. If an event is on Friday, you want to use this about Monday. That way you have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday to detox and draw it out, and then it's gone. So we don't need that. We don't need the brightening. This is another detox one. I purchased all of these guys from Dollar Tree. I got these from Burlington actually. This is another antioxidant one. But because we have on the nose strip and all of that, it would be hard to kind of get the mask over that area too. So I'm just going to use the one that I actually have to mix up myself. This is the new Yes To Coconut Ultra Hydrating Moisturizing Do-It-Yourself Powder to Clay Mask. It does have a mixing bowl and a spoon included. I purchased mine from Dollar Tree, but I have seen these in Walmart. I've seen the Yes To brand in Target. So clearly with it being in Dollar Tree, we get to get it for a cheaper amount. To my best ability, everything I'm using will be linked down below. So there's a little line in here, and that's where the water goes, and you're not supposed to pass that. Just gonna add some water. I wanted to let y'all see in there, but I feel like I might waste it. My sister's calling. I'm recording!
My bad.
I'm doing my mask.
You recording for real?
Yeah. Alright guys, so let's see if we can use the mask that's included. Then it's gonna take all that. I have this little e.l.f. foundation brush that I never use for foundation. I purposely use this one for applying my masks. It's quicker. So we're just gonna put this on all of the areas where the nose strips are not. If you have a sheet mask, you can definitely use that. But just keep in mind, you may have to skip multitasking as I'm doing, because you won't be able to really do both at the same time, because the sheet may get in the way of the nose strips.
Like an appointment with
The side. The side.
God, you record.
I'm recording.
I'm gonna get out of pictures. I like nigga from Memphis to the side.
Since I have a robe on, I don't want to really get it too far down. It says relax for 10 minutes, 20 for an even deeper treatment, and then you can remove it with a damp face cloth, then rinse with warm water. So we're going to chill for a moment, guys, and we'll be back. Oh, but as far as the nose strips, let's see. Oh yeah, both of these sit for 10 to 15 minutes, so that works great. So we'll take everything off at once. gonna quickly talk to you all while I peel this off. I know y'all gonna ask me how often I do all of these things. I'm not religious with my masks or the Biore strips and stuff. I kind of go by looking at my face and saying, oh, now it needs this to be done, not necessarily just putting the mask on just to do it. Like I said, more so it's pampering purposes for me, but every now and then I do like to get all of those white heads out of my nose, and these Dollar Tree ones work really well. So discussing the giveaway really quickly, I just wanted to kind of throw it in somewhere in the middle of my video. That way it will be beneficial to people that are already watching me anyway and not just clicking because it's in my title. So I will be giving away one $100 gift card to one of you guys. I wanted to go with the gift card version, the Visa one, instead of simplifying it because I know I do lots of different things on my channel and I wouldn't know if you all would want to spend it on hair, makeup, nail supplies, or just, you know, a bill or something. So yeah, I'll pick the giveaway winner whenever. I don't really have a set date for when it'll end or anything like that. I'm thinking maybe once we get close to 193,000 subscribers. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. That's a bonus for you if you are. And then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, obviously, and keep up with my videos because the winner will be announced in an upcoming video. I won't really put it in the title or anything. You just gotta watch. Like, that's the point, to reward someone that supports me regardless of giveaway titles, and y'all know what I mean. Someone worth giving it to, okay? Never cut a pineapple before. Ooh. They're yummy. Never had one in a while. Alrighty, here we go. Ready? Oh, snap, it's lit. I'm gonna tell you. Then you're supposed to pull it out. I can't get it out. See, it's starting to rot on me. Glad I sliced it already. Get me!
Everything you mess up, you better clean it up.
Okay.
I cleaned up the whole house this morning. Everything.
How you dispense it out though? You gotta dispense out like it? And it's going bad. Every time I cut my thing, it be going bad. Okay. I'm on the train. I'm on the train. Look, I'm on a train. We're about to cross cars in a second.
Look how it is.
Oh, baby. It's shaking.
I don't think I got good at
My camera getting cold. Or it is cold when it adjusts to the temperature. Hair courtesy of my mom, inspired by Alyssa Forever. Alyssa Forever here. Okay, we're going down. Or you can go up. Oh goodness. It's really pretty. Really pretty. You can look out. Oh, they got plugs. They got plugs.
I'm not gonna cross that. I want a picture in this one.
Okay. On a different car now. This one has couch seating and you can kind of sit and look out. If I would have brought my laptop, then I would have put it right here and I would have been editing, but really not really, because I can just chill and enjoy the ride. This is what this car looks like, and you can go up as well. So yeah, it's cool in here, and that's where you cross to go to the next car at. I made it to the next car. This one looked like the one we were on. I be trying not to film other people. Oh, what's this? Why is that? It just seems smooth. I don't think nothing back here either. I think it's just other riding spot. I got baby crates.
I see somebody already know.
No, I think we're on the main line.
It's smoother now.
Dude, you in front of me.
This man tried to make a boomerang.
That's what y'all be doing.
You thought they just do the same motion back to back?
Oh, you have to select boomerang.
Look at the eyebrow. Look at the eyebrow.
That's not what y'all do.
No, you gotta go to the boomerang.
Hold on. Look at the motion before she started. Look right there.
Give me my phone. Don't believe
It's gone. Man, look, you gotta go to that right there.
Oh,
This boomerang.
boy.
Boy. Go to the boomerang button this time. Let us see what you got. Let us see what you got. Come on, the people are waiting.
Wait a minute. Wait. Don't lay a camera line.
You already holding it.
Boomerang. It's supposed to be a boomerang.
You ain't filming. You sound like Mr. Krabs. That one sound like Mr. Krabs.
Let me see what you got.
I don't like it.
Let us see what you
I
got.
don't like it. I like what I had.
The fake boomerang.
That's right. It was on point.
She thought she was filming a boomerang and she was doing this.
How you come out here? Baby, I had it go working.
But instead of being on the boomerang button, she was just manually filming it.
I already know.
Okay, so you want to prop up and gather your prop. After you gather your prop, you want to hold the boomerang button and do whatever you would like. Let us see what you got. Hold on, it went in the way. That one's better. That one's good.
Enjoy the triangle. It's really nice. Come back. Have a real nice time.
What's up, dude? She get
Oh, I can see you.
You can't say that word anymore.
Move your face out of the video.
That was a bit derail with their head. I want to see the video.
Okay, you know, I'm looking at the front of the train. This is so nice. Go well on the curve. I can't see it.
I'm in the diesel shop now, guys. The BNSF diesel shop. How cool is that? How cool. Gonna get pictures in front of the engine. Okay, I'm all the way up here now. All the way up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can go in. Let me dry the boat. My dress getting caught. Oh snaps. Oh snaps, baby. Let me dry the boat. Let me dry the boat. Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
This the conductor seat. I mean, this the engineer seat. This the automatic, and this is what you use to set brake.